You think you can give me some heavy suppression?
Yeah.
Suppress them, I'm gonna try and move to the bunker up there.
Okay.
Dude, you can't see. Go, go, go! Suppress! And don't, watch out. Guys, keep them suppressed. Hang on. Watch out, dude. Keep your head down. I'm gonna try to shoot over. Watch out. Oh, I think that hit him. Oh, that hit him. Oh, Red Hood, you're out. Watch far left. Guys, try to light them up. Yeah, he's sneaking up through there. You can see movement.
I see him. He's behind all those logs.
White Hood, you're out. Yeah.
There's a guy behind those trees right there. So you go under there and what's happening. What?
Okay, keep fire on him, dude.
I'll go over you on.
Yeah, okay. Okay, you see the guy who's dead ahead, right? Okay.
Him?
Yeah, he's straight ahead.
He's out. Oh, I see that guy.
He's out, he's out.
Good shot. Hey, oh, okay, never mind.
I got him. What?
Hey, Red Hood, you're out. Hit. Can one of you guys suppress?
Yeah, I got that.
You can suppress? Wait.
Well, that worked.
Hey, if you suppress, this other guy and I could push up.
Yeah.
Dude, when we push up, you want to push up to the bunker up there with the bricks? Okay, let us know when you're ready to suppress.
Yep.
Go. Go. Oh, come on, bro. We're wearing the mask. Come on, guys. If you're hit, call it.
Did you try one of those like run up again things?
Hang on, let me grab my pistol. He's keeping us suppressed. Hey dude, you wanna move up there? I might meet you there soon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we cover?
Hey.
Go.
Okay dude, if we get there we can run up there at the same time. I'll keep you suppressed. Go. Hey, suppress them. I'm going up. Suppress them. Okay, guys.
Okay, what's the plan?
We see where that guy is? We gotta get to where he is. Keep them suppressed, okay?
I got it.
Wait.
I'm fine. Oh, damn it, I'm out of ammo.
Shit, out of gas.
I'm out of ammo. You got any extra? No.
No.
I'm out. Stupid magazine.
Hang on, dude. If you guys suppress him, I could push up.
The magazine's kind of suckish, but okay.
Okay, suppress. You're out. You're out. Hey, you're out. You're out. You're out. You're out. You're out.
Hello, Brad.
You're out.
You're out. Okay. I'm gonna run out and go this
One
way.
over here. Shoot him. He's out.
Cut my James Spring pistol.
Hey, bang.
Oh, man.
How you doing?